Not even a week into his job, President Trump's new communications director is confirming speculation there is bad blood between senior administration officials. Correspondent Mark Irons is at the White House tonight with more.
Good evening, Wyatt. In an expletive-laden interview that was published by The New Yorker late yesterday, Anthony Scaramucci had harsh words for White House Chief Strategist Steve Bannon and Chief of Staff Reince Priebus, who Anthony Scaramucci thinks is a leaker.
Scaramucci tweeted in defense of his candid conversation, writing, "I sometimes use colorful language. I will refrain in this arena, but not give up the passionate fight for Donald Trump's agenda." He appeared surprised his remarks made it into print, adding, "I made a mistake in trusting a reporter. It won't happen again." Journalist Ryan Lizza's headline summed up the controversial conversation. Anthony Scaramucci called me to unload about White House leakers, Reince Priebus, and Steve Bannon. Scaramucci began by threatening to fire the entire White House communications staff. He also made a graphic sexual reference to Chief Strategist Steve Bannon, alleging Bannon is only looking to advance his own interest. He accused Chief of Staff Reince Priebus of being a, quote, paranoid schizophrenic, and implied that Priebus's days are numbered, saying, quote, Reince Priebus, he'll be asked to resign very shortly. The bad blood stems from Scaramucci's view that Priebus was insufficiently supportive of Trump at the end of the election campaign, and his belief that Priebus persuaded the president to keep Scaramucci out of the White House.
Anthony Scaramucci has become increasingly convinced that every negative story about him somehow Reince Priebus was behind.
According to the reporter who spoke with Scaramucci, the conversation was never off the record.
We did request to speak with Scaramucci. The White House says he's not doing media interviews today. He traveled with the president this afternoon to New York, but as he was boarding Air Force One, a reporter asked him about those remarks in that report, and he said, quote, better not to comment. Wyatt?
Correspondent Mark Irons at the White House. Thanks, Mark.